Make sure you guys stay until the end. If you have a Fiat or Alfa Romeo, you can often fix that problem without spending any money for parts. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo. And if you have one of those and you have check engine light and code P1300, stay with us. We'll explain what causes that code, how to fix it. In most cases you will be able to fix it without spending any money, and we'll explain how. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So with that being said, what do we have specifically here? This is a Fiat 500. Now, why we mention Alfa Romeo, Fiat? Because they're built by the same company, Chrysler, recently, guys, and practically they share their platforms. That same engine has been used in more than 5 different models of Fiat and at least 4 Alfa Romeos I can think of. If you have check engine light on code P1300, that means crankshaft camshaft correlation, we will explain what can easily cause that. Now, you have often, guys, a camshaft position sensor, this one right here, that detects the position of the camshaft. It will report that to the engine computer. Then you have another sensor on the bottom that's known as a crankshaft position sensor that detects, okay, it looks like that detects the position of the crankshaft sensor, of the crankshaft, and it will report that position to the engine computer so it can do ignition, timing, fuel, all that stuff. On a gasoline engine, obviously not ignition, but you will have timing, spraying, and all that stuff. So now, talking about that, guys, if you recently worked on your car, you had to take things apart, replace timing chain, timing belt, or camshaft sensor, or crankshaft sensor, anything that involved removing, replacing it, or you had a burnt one and that was malfunctioning, you had to replace it, you have to perform a special procedure, in many cases that it's known as a crankshaft reworn procedure, or how to calibrate crankshaft position sensor on Fiat Alfa Romeo, or how to rewarm crankshaft position sensor on Alfa Romeo and Fiat. Also, the video will be on our channel how to do that, how to do the procedure. Also check your fuses and relays. You can have a burn fuse. If one of those went out, let's say the camshaft or crankshaft sensor, you may have a burn fuse, so always check those as well. Also, we'll have a special video that will teach you how to test crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor without removing them. You can actually even do that in most cases, because getting to the crankshaft position sensor on that Fiat, it's not easy, believe me, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, and see you guys next time.